Good morning, peoples. You can't see me because it's a beautiful sunny morning. We're on our way to Paria. So get ready to enjoy some good videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. And enjoy. All right, ooh, watch out for the mud. Breathing real heavy, boy. Hey, can't believe that. Who told me to drink that bit? Whew. Hi there, everybody. How you doing? So we're here at 𝓗𝓲𝓵 Beach. Do not study these people. It is not called 𝓗𝓲𝓵𝓲𝓣𝓣. Somebody put up the name of this beach like that, but the original name is 𝓗𝓲𝓲𝓵 or 𝓗𝓲𝓲𝓵, L-A-S-P-O-R. Right. So anyways, we're here at 𝓗𝓲𝓵 Beach.
Hello.
I'm filming myself.
Oh, I thought.
So watch everybody having a good time on this beautiful beach. This one trying to hide from all the videos. So she's done in the video now. And here's the other two coming up. Look, George over here in the yellow shirt like he going to work. These two look like one come from Guyana and one come from Barbados. The next one over there, I don't know where he come from. He was just randomly walking up and down the beach looking to get rid of himself. Right? And this one over here, I want to go home. He's too tired already. He burn out. And this man, this is his first hike he ever been on. He's been complaining all the way here.
Nah, I wasn't.
Look, there's a mango eating competition here right now. Right? Watch this man suck this mango dry. Watch. All up in your mouth.
No, you can't see sheep. I see brody. Fellas. Yeah, put the strength on your shoulder. Up the hill. Big man thing. Yeah, just put on your back. Yes.
Now you have to walk all the way to the corner, top of the hill. You got it. Go for it. He can't go no more. He can't go no more. Nice. So we are here on top, to quote House of the Dragon, the magnanimous Turtle Rock. Hey. We're almost reaching the Paria. To complete the Paria hike, there's a couple behind, there's a couple in front. We're having a good time. Some tired, some dying. But it's all in name of fun. We are now heading up heading down the third hill and going to head up the last hill. See you on the other side. So here we are, people, at the famous Paria Arch, Temple Rock. Or Cathedral Rock, whatever name you want to use. Should I record the whole time? Alright. From no man's land, come back in, and then you're going zigzag between road and trail. until Mount Irving. You're going through so many golf courses in Mount Irving to come out a little high up from Mount Irving. You're going out to the salt pools for a little bit in the afternoon. Then from the salt pools, you're going in to Black Rock and the campsite there. I just named the first day beaches because you get more beaches on that side. We'll be doing a walk up a beach, Buku Beach too. Yep. Oh, you follow them over, I swim through. I'll hand my bag to somebody and swim through. Then once I reach over there, actually, you know what I might do? I'll carry my bag over and swim back through and use the bathroom on this side.
So it's not everything. You have bread in there? You have bread in there too? I got these small man and organic fishes. Give me it.
Ella! And I have in the corner there, I see Anthony picking his nose. Alright, good. Ready? Yeah. Look at this.
Hey, Adam, hey, he looking good.
Hey, look at this. You see this kind of thing?
Good. Oh, wait. Everything, really?
HikeA'HolicsTT! Woo! Yeah.